Today, I'll show you bitRage, the arbitrage bot developed by the Gunbot team. bitRage is built to perform triangular arbitrage, inter-exchange arbitrage, and futures arbitrage. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works, what makes it different from other arbitrage systems, and the tools it gives you to monitor your trades and results. Let's get started with a quick look at how to install, start, and configure bitRage. When you first start bitRage, you can select what kind of arbitrage to perform: triangular arbitrage, inter-exchange arbitrage, or futures arbitrage. Let's start with triangular arbitrage configuration. Click on Triangular tab, and then Settings. First of all, you can enable or disable triangular arbitrage using this switch. Then you can select any CCXT-supported exchange from a drop-down list. Select the exchange you like. At this point, bitRage will ask to store your API keys. Both the public and the secret keys are then encrypted and saved into your config.json file. We also need to configure and store the Gunthi licensed wallet address, the same address you use with Gunbot, and that is licensed to run bitRage, and the Infura key. You can use the same Infura key you are using with your Gunbot as well. The second section of the triangular arbitrage settings is about filters. If we do not specify any filter, bitRage look for arbitrage opportunities for all the possible triangles coming from all the listed coins at any exchange. Filters can help to specify only some coins we want to exploit. For example, in the Includes quote field, we want to select only those quote currencies we want to use and profit from. For example, USDC, USDT, BTC, ETH, EUR, GBP. At the same time, we can filter quote currencies we do not want to use in triangles creations. For example, Dust, or Turkish lira, or Brazilian dollar. bitRage will exclude any triangle containing any of those excluded coins. Same thing can be done with the base currencies. We can specify the base currencies we want to include or exclude in the triangles formation. For example, we want to exploit meme coin or Solana only. Or we want to exclude Monero, Litecoin, etc. and others. bitRage will automatically exclude or include any base coin specified in this section. bitRage needs also to know how much you want to invest for each of the arbitrage opportunities. Set it in the quote currencies unit you want to accumulate. For example, $20 or $100 for each triangular opportunity. bitRage needs also to know what percentual of fees we will pay while performing triangular trades. It will automatically calculate fees costs for the 3 orders of a triangular arbitrage. bitRage also can be configured to only exploit the top liquidity order books. For example, to look for arbitrage opportunities only for the top 1,000 markets, or the top 4,000 markets, or the top 10 markets only. Finally, bitRage needs to know how much profit percentual you want to accumulate for each triangular opportunity. When you are happy about the settings and all the values are matching the arbitrage opportunities you want to perform, have another general look to the entire settings section, and then push that Save and Start button. It will make bitRage starting to rock.